Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this mini hat ornament to decorate your Christmas tree. Here's a list of all the materials you're going to need for this project. Okay, so let's get started. Here I have my mini pom-pom. If you don't know how to make it yet, I do have a video on how to make this pom-pom. It will be listed below in the description box. And here's my G hook. It's a 4.5 millimeter crochet hook. And the yarn that I'm using is a worsted weight yarn. So I'm gonna go ahead and make a slip knot. And we're gonna start by chaining 12. So we're gonna make a total of 12 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So we have our 12 chains, and we are going to half double crochet on our second chain from the hook. So we're gonna yarn over, insert our hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through all of those loops right there. So we're gonna keep doing half double crochets all the way across our chain, and you should have a total of 11 half double crochets at the end of your row. So your yarn over, insert your hook, pull up loop, and pull through all those loops. Okay, so I have my 11 half double crochets, and I'm going to chain 1 and turn my work. Chain 1 and turn. And for the rest of the rows, we're going to half double crochet on the front loop only, not the back. That's the back right here. We're gonna do the front loop. So here's our front loop. We're going to half double crochet as usual, but we're gonna do it in the front loop. So half double crochet on the front loop only. So keep making half double crochets all the way across. I'm on my last stitch, and this last stitch is a little bit tricky to find that front loop. So you see that's the middle loop right there. So there's gonna be 3 loops, and it's the middle one. As you can see, making half double crochets on the front loop only is going to create that ribbed band right here. So there's that ribbed stitch. And now we're just gonna repeat the same steps for 8 more rows. So chain 1 and turn, and you're gonna keep making half double crochets on the front loop only until you have 8 more rows. Here I have my 8 rows completed, and now I'm just gonna fold that in half like so, and we're gonna slip stitch our piece together. So insert your hook. Don't forget to get both of those sides. And we're just gonna slip stitch across. So we slip stitch. You should have 11 slip stitches at the end of this row. And now with our yarn needle, we're gonna close the top of our hat. So just insert your yarn into that needle. So that's the top of our tube right here, and we're gonna insert in and out all the way around. Okay, so now I'm just gonna pull that strand really tight, and that's gonna close the top of our hat right here. I'm gonna weave those 2 strands of yarn that are on the top of my hat, and I'm gonna weave them to the inside of the hat so I can cut them later and weave the ends. Now grab your cute little palm and we're gonna place it on top of our beanie here. So just grab your yarn needle and get those two strands that your palm has hanging. So there's one, and just insert it through the top of that hat that you closed. So there's one strand going in. And now we're gonna do the other strand. Okay, now we have both of those strands inside of our hat. Now we're just gonna turn our hat inside out so we can tie our palm from the inside. So it's gonna be a little tricky, but just fold it. And just tie those two strands. Make sure to make it really tight so your palm doesn't fall off. So here I'm just pulling. And I did a double knot just to make sure it doesn't fall off. Just gonna cut my palm strands and weave in the rest. Okay, so now that we have our palm attached, we're just gonna turn our hat inside out again. And it's gonna be a little tight, but just keep trying. Okay, so here's our cute little hat. Now all we just have to do is fold the bottom to make that brim. So just grab a little bit of the bottom and fold it. Kind of keep playing with it until it looks right to you. So I'm just working on my brim. And there it is. Now you can use one of those ornament metal hanger thingies. I think I found these at the dollar store, and you can get a bunch of them for $1. If you don't have any of these laying around or you just don't want to go get some, you can use a strand of yarn to hang your ornament on your tree. And here's your cute little hat ornament ready to be hung. Wasn't that so easy, you guys? Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up if you love the video. Thank you.